Yoga has been proven to be crucial to sustain and replenish one's well-being in physical, mental, and spiritual realms. To attain such well-being, it is important to perform a regular detox of the body to wash off the stress of a hectic day. Here are 5 quick and easy yoga poses to detox and recharge your body. Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward dog pose. This asana requires your heart to be placed above your head, which regulates inversion movement in the body. This encourages blood to circulate well and rinse off lymph nodes. Breathe and hold for about 4 to 8 breaths in this position. Ardha Matsyendrasana or half spinal twist. Any sort of compression and gentle movement in the chest region helps to get things moving in the digestive system. The more we help our digestive system move waste and toxins through the intestines, the better our detoxing will be. Hold this position for at least 5 breaths. Navasana or boat pose. The boat pose strengthens and tones your abdomen, hip flexors, and spine. It also stimulates the kidneys, thyroid, and intestines, which can help relieve stress and improve your digestion. Hold this position for 20 seconds, then release your legs. Try this 5 times. Parivartan Trikonasana or the revolved triangle pose. This pose stretches and opens the chest, lungs, shoulders, and spine, which in turn increases the lung capacity. It also stimulates abdominal organs, aiding digestion, releasing stress, and energizing the body and mind. Garudasana or eagle pose. The eagle pose helps to boost circulation and bring out the toxins from the bloodstream and lymphatics. It also stretches the ankles, elbows, knees, and hip joints. These were just a few quick and simple yogasanas that can detox your body. With the daily practice of these asanas, your capability to handle hectic stress shall certainly multiply and leave you feeling light and energized throughout the day.